Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Thank you for joining me for my part 2 of my back to school series. If you followed me on my first project, we made these notebooks out of a composition book. So today I had told you that we would just do a simple pencil pouch. This actually has a pin and a mechanical pencil in it. This is really easy. I know last time I kept saying super easy, super easy, super easy. Well, these projects are. So today I decided to make this one. We're gonna use the Beauty of Earth Designer Series paper. I could have used the matching ones to, coordinate, and but I just wanted to showcase some more designer series papers. So we're gonna use the Beauty of Earth for the one that I made for Cruise, and I had already cut my paper, but I think let's just use another one. Let's use this. This is super easy. I think that's become my favorite word. Super easy, because they're super easy. I know, silly me, silly me. So this is gonna just measure 6 by 6. We need it. So those 6 by 6 DSP paper stacks, these are perfect for, and you can make a lot of them in no time at all. We just have some glitter on there. So we're just gonna do 3 score lines. The first one's gonna be at 1.5, 3, and 4.5, and that's it. So since I had this other one cut, we'll do it again just to show you how quick and easy these are gonna be. 1.5, 3, and 4.5. And these are cute little projects that you can even make for your teachers. Teachers like give them some Sharpies in it, or red pins, because they do their when they correct the sheet. So we're burnishing all our lines, and I'll go ahead and do this one, and then I'll do it again. So we're gonna take the right top corner, and here's the score line, and we're just gonna fold this over to the score line like that and burnish it. So now we're gonna take the bottom left corner and do the same thing, but I'm gonna turn it around just so maybe you could see it better. It kind of works out the same if you turn the paper. It's the right top. So right top, bottom left. And then now we're gonna take the left, and we're gonna take this corner, and we're gonna go to the second score line. Here we did the first, now we're gonna go to the second. So we're gonna do that over right like that on the second score line. For me, it's easier to turn around so I could see it and burnish it. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna turn it sideways so you can see where I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna add some glue right here, and we'll just fold this over, and we'll just squeeze that glue down so that it sticks. And this piece is gonna go over and wrap around, but I wanna put some glue on this section here as well, so it'll glue it down. If we don't glue these down, our pens or pencils are gonna fall right out. So we can burnish these, just make it nice and crisp. Let's rub where that glue's at. Glue that down. Now this side, we're gonna add some glue to this flap. And we'll add some in here and here. And that just flips right over. So it's like gonna wrap right around. And we can just burnish those lines again, make it nice and crisp. And look, there's our pouch. And easy, easy, easy. So let's take my mechanical pencil. So you can use a regular pencil as well. You put a regular pencil in here. Let's take my pen and put my pen in there. And you could add both of those. And we're gonna use this ribbon. Oh, my glue didn't stick, wasn't long enough. I didn't let it glue or dry. Usually it don't take that long, but we're gonna use this ribbon here. This is the Evening Evergreen chevron ribbon. I just wanted to get a green to go in here to match this paper. Just actually, since this is going to be for a boy, we won't tie a bow, we'll just tie a knot. How about that? Just a knot. And we could snip those ends, and I am going to, this die is from the new set that you can get now. It's the pillow boxes, and I cut that die out. And this is another new set that you can get right now, Penguin Place. But I'm gonna use the stamp Be Cool, Be Chill, Be Merry, but we're only gonna, use the Be Cool, Be Chill, and we're not gonna use the Merry. So I'm gonna use my Stampin' Right markers, and we're just gonna color in Be Cool, Be Chill, so that you could add Be Merry, I guess, but I like the Be Cool, Be Chill. First goal, we're gonna breathe on it, and my coloring looks horrible, but let's hope it comes out good. Oh, I messed it up a little bit. Put a little bit too much down at the bottom, I guess. So Be Cool, Be Chill. And I'm gonna use my punch here. Punch a hole. I'm gonna use my twine, and we're just gonna tie that around the knot, so we can, and you don't have to add this bow or this tag. I might have did a little bit too tight. Usually, there. My chubby little fingers don't get in there so easily. So we'll just tie a bow onto this, or let's tie a knot since we tied a knot already. And we can just leave some of it hanging off like that. And that is it. Look how quick and easy that pouch was. And you, like I said, you can make a lot of these in no time at all. I'm still holding this glue down. I'm surprised it didn't dry yet. A lot of times what I do when things need to glue down and you're in the middle of a project, I keep these here in my craft room, a little clothespin, put it there, and it's a set of fingers for you. So we'll set that aside, and I'm going to show you how to do it all over again with this one, just so that you can see. Again, we're going to burnish all the lines. Remember, we scored this at 1.5, 3, and 4.5. So the top right corner, first score line, we're just going to fold it over, burnish it. Bottom left corner, same thing. You can do it from here, or like I did, you can flip it around, whatever's easier. This one, top left corner, but we're going to the second score line, so it's going to be like a bigger fold. And I like to do it, flip it around so I can see exactly where my point is over here. Line it up with the score line. And that's it. That's what your folds look like. So we'll add some glue again here. Let's hold that down. I will add a clothespin. Usually it doesn't take that long to dry, so We can add a clothespin here to hold it for us, but it's probably going to get in the way of this. And again, we'll just add glue here, add some in here. And you know, you can use tear and tape as well. You don't have to use the liquid glue. Tear and tape's a strong hold as well. Oops, see, I thought my paper clip would be in the way. Just fold this down, hold this for a bit. I'm just going to add some pressure to let that glue, all that glue dry. Like I said, this is such a simple teacher gift. It doesn't only have to be for the kids, it could be for the teachers. Kind of scrunch that. And actually, look, I have a Sharpie here. You can put a Sharpie in it for a teacher, along with the pencil. Here, look, I got a colored pencil. You know, super easy, super, super easy. My new word, super easy, new words. And we could actually use that same ribbon on this one. We can tie it in a knot again. And I didn't put my pen or pencils in there. So we could tie the knot. I didn't tie it tight because I'm gonna stick that, oh, I don't have that little Be Cool ready, the tag ready. But you can see how easy that is. Let's snip this off. Oy. Snip it off. And there you go. Those are our projects. I took that one off, and there you go. Look how easy I made 3 in no time. Well, this one was already made. So this will go with the notebook, and this will go with this notebook. And again, teacher gifts, whatever, and then here's just an extra one. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know, and I will be back with our 3rd project in our back to school series. If you guys place an order, be sure and use this host code here, and I will send you my sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial on any order over $30. And currently we have our 2nd celebration going on. How exciting. And you can earn free product for a $50 or $100 order. So just be sure and check out the celebration catalogs and let me know if I can help you in any way. You guys take care. Bye.